how to make money online. Now, today I'm going to show you a dead simple way to drive free traffic to your affiliate offer and make money in your sleep. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a kind of a tricky little way I go about getting domains and rebranding them with a link shortener that is unique, and I bet you haven't seen this trick. So let's head over to the computer and I'll start showing you how to do it right now. Okay, so bam, like magic, or video editing, we're over here at the computer and I'm on ClickBank because we need to find an affiliate offer that we want to promote. So if we come into ClickBank, now listen, keep in mind, I show ClickBank mostly because it is a user-friendly, you can get immediately approved if you set up a ClickBank account, etc., etc. There are thousands of other affiliate offers out there and tons of other affiliate networks. So anything that I'm showing you really can be applied to just about any of those offers that you have or come across, but ClickBank makes it very user-friendly. So let's stick with this for purposes of, I don't know, instruction. So come over here to the affiliate marketplace and you can search for offers either by category or if you have a keyword. I'm just going to go ahead and hit the search button and I'm going to make sure that it is sorted by popularity, and I want to see the first couple, and I will see if I can zoom in a little here for you. All right, so coming down the line, flat belly fix. I'm looking for something in weight loss for my example today to show you, but flat belly fix is obviously sorted by popularity, so it's popular. Has a really high gravity score, 201. Average sale is $40. It does have a rebill. I'm not sure if this is accurate or not, but I don't get out of bed for 73 cents. And the average sale is 75%, so that's good. Let me see if I don't see anything else real quick. We will use that. Green juices, all right. No, I don't want to spend my time searching for offers. So what I'm going to do is you can come through here. You can click on this to see what the promotion page looks like. This is where traffic that we send will land. So this is a little VSL, video sales lander, and we can click on the affiliate page. Okay, I always like to click on this and see what they have for us in terms of assets. So if I come over here to the flat belly fix, they have an email swipe. That's great, so that we can get just a little bit of information from them in terms of just content and assets. So that's all good. I'm going to get out of that, and I think I'm going to go ahead and use this one as our example. So I'm going to hit promote. We'll come over here and I already have weight in here from a different example, but I'm going to go ahead and generate a Hoplink. A Hoplink is my unique affiliate ID that gets me paid with ClickBank. So this is the link that I will give somebody else to then come over to the landing page. So I'm going to generate the Hoplink. Now, if you've seen any of my other ClickBank videos, you know this is super long and super ugly. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And I want to show you something that I do. Let's come over here. And the next thing we're going to do, I'll show you what I'm going to do with the link in just a minute. So if we come over here to Google, I'm going to type in, if I can spell it, weight loss blog, weight loss blogs. And what I want to do is very simply, I want to find, here's best weight loss blogs of 2019, Healthline. It's probably an aggregator of information, and it is. So if we come over here to look at some of these, here's Popsugar Fitness. That's a pretty big one. ACE, Exercise Library, Body Rebooted. Let's click on that and see what it looks like. You'll really kind of go through some of these and find ones. Okay, their website is not functional. Here's runs for cookies. Here's Black Girl's Guide to Weight Loss. So let's go to the Black Girl's Guide for Weight Loss and see what that looks like real quick. Okay, so let's see what kind of stuff they have. Here's a bunch of, not sure why the images aren't loading on this. Oh, there they are. Just takes a minute. So my top 10 favorite posts. If I go over here, there's recipes. Okay, so they got nice categorized. I look for these little things because I want to make sure that I can come back and post here often with some of my other offers. So if I come into one of their posts, should be able to click on it, and it is loading super slowly. So that's something to be concerned about, but you're going to do this in more than one place, not just on one blog. So I'm sure they've written some really good information on this. And no, I don't want to be on your mailing list. I'm going to come down here in the comments, and what I want to do is I want to leave my Hoplink to the flat belly fix offer that we just found. So if I come back over here, and if I go to leave a comment, if I leave that, then that looks ugly and it doesn't pre-frame it in any way to the other people that are reading this. So we can't do that. Here's what I like to do. I like to come over to Namecheap, and I do spend a couple bucks. Namecheap is super inexpensive, and I look for something like CNN. Let's look for like CNN, something short and sweet and cheap. Okay, so I did a search for several of them, but I wanted to try to keep this to a minimum. But here's like modernhealthynews.news. It's $10.48 a year, but it will really work well in this space. You can take more time. You can see some of these are $1.88, $1.80, blah, blah, blah. So if you really take your time, you can come through here. Here's one for $1.28 URL, and you want to grab a specific URL like this, Modern Healthy. Oops, it's not Modern and Healthy. It's modernhealthy.news. And then what you want to do is, a lot of people use Bitly or some of these other link shorteners, but I use a company called Rebrandly. And Rebrandly is a link shortener. Let me make this a little smaller. And one of the things that you can do with Rebrandly is you put your, you can link your domain name that you just bought. So your short link, your Hoplink, your pretty link is going to be the one that you bought here. Excuse me, is going to be the one that you bought here, modernhealthy.news. And then your, you could have it just be slash something. You come up with something on the end that is unique to that specific Hoplink, slash fit or something like that. So when you come back over here, where are we at? So you're going to put your Hoplink in there, create a short Hoplink, and it's going to look like, it's going to end up looking like this. It's going to end up looking like modernhealthy.news. Not .news / fit, or whatever it is that you put back here. And you don't just put this link in here. You want to write something really nice, like, I think your article is really on point, and you know, I learned a lot or something. Give them some praise about what's going on in there, and then you can say, I read about this plan at Modern Healthy News, and it really helped me lose weight or something like that. Lose weight. So you could write a little something in there just like that and post this comment. You can see that there are a slew of other thousands of other blogs on weight loss. Weight loss is a very popular topic, but what's great is you can come over here and go to Google Alerts, and you can type in something about weight loss and enter your email and get a digest of new articles that are written on weight loss. Also, I use this service called FeedSpot. And FeedSpot does basically the same thing as Google Alerts, and it goes out there and pulls all of these news articles and different kind of magazine styles and blogs, etc., about whatever topic it is that I'm telling it to look for. And you can go in on a daily basis and just get to where you're cutting and pasting that. What that is the link to your offer from ClickBank, but you don't have to stop there. You could go into any and every niche, go into camping. If we come back over here to the marketplace, you can literally, I'm just going to do another search by popularity, but whatever this is, whatever niche this is in, diabetes remedy, what is this? New manifestation magic hits generates. I don't even know what that is. Battery reconditioning. Maybe you put this on survival sites and things like that. There's tons and tons. There are tons and tons and tons of different offers, and they all are specific to different niches, and you can do this across the board. And one of the things that I do that helps us make so much money in one of our endeavors is we use, I have a Filipino VA that does all of this for me. So I set up the feeds, the Google Alert, the feed spot, etc. And that information, those emails go directly to them. And that is their daily task, is they are taking the right Hoplink that's generated and writing a cut and paste from a spreadsheet and putting it right into the comment section for all of these types of things. You can do this on places like Quora, where you're answering people's questions and put your Hoplink in there, your rebranded Hoplink, right? You could do it on Facebook groups, etc. There's tons and tons of information and places out there to put this Hoplink on, and you will make money in your sleep. And that is the beauty behind all this. Now, I know that a very, 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 very few amount of you will actually try this. But for those of you that do, leave me a comment below and tell me how it works for you. One other little side note, one little trick is there are some of these blogs and some of these posts and some of these groups that will eventually kick you out for doing this sort of thing. They will follow up and they'll click on a link and they'll see that it's to an affiliate offer, and they will either block you as a user or delete your post or things like this. So in my spreadsheet, I go ahead and have them write down a link to all the places that we link to normally, and then as they get banned, and they will, but there are thousands and thousands and tens of thousands of these places on our spreadsheets, we just mark them down and keep weeding down, but we continually keep adding new places to post. So we literally have Hoplinks in tens of thousands of different places on all sorts of different niches. So anyways, listen, I'm sorry that this video went a little lengthy, but it is a dead simple way to go about this. You only have to spend a few bucks to get a URL. Rebrandly is free for up to a certain amount of custom domain rebranded links. But it's a lot. It's like 500. So you could be off to a good start using Rebrandly for free and Namecheap for a couple bucks to get a URL, and you'll be off to the races making money in no time. So I hope that you got some good value out of this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can stay up on the latest on how to make money online. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future videos, and don't forget to like this video. Now, watch that video next. Go ahead, watch that video.